You can make YouTube videos without ever showing your face. No fancy lights, no cameras, just pure content.
And yep, you can earn real passive income.
This isn't just talk, people are doing it every day. They're using free AI tools to script, edit, design, and more. No big budget needed. We tested a bunch, and today we're giving you the 10 best ones that work. Let's go in.
Tool number 1, vidIQ, the Knight in Shining Chrome extension.
This tool is for keyword data, pulling search volume, competition scores, and trend velocity like a seasoned archaeologist digging up buried treasure. And the free version gives you enough intel to conquer your niche without paying a dime.
Installation is so easy, a techno turtle could do it. Download the extension, log in, and boom. Keyword metrics appear beside every suggested search. Let's say you're exploring vegan tacos. vidIQ overlays a score out of 100 showing how many people search for it, how fierce the competition is, and whether interest is skyrocketing or fizzling out.
Pro tip: aim for keywords with a score between 60 and 80. Too high and you're in a throng of big channels. Too low and nobody's searching.
Scripts can be optimized around these keywords. Seed them in your title, sprinkle them in your description, and tag away in your video settings. When your uploads start popping up on page 1 instead of page 57, you'll know your dragon slaying paid off.
Tool number 2, Content Studio. Imagine having a crystal ball that shows trending topics across YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, all in one place. That's Content Studio's free discovery feature, and yes, it's as magical as it sounds.
You sign up, tick the YouTube tab, type in space documentaries, and voila. A list of real-time trending keywords, viral hashtags, and suggested angles appears faster than you can say interstellar. This isn't guesswork. It's like having a backstage pass to what audiences crave before your competitors even catch wind. That means you can plan videos today about tomorrow's hot topic.
Here's how you use it. Choose 3 high-potential keywords with a growing trend line. Develop a script that hooks within the first 5 seconds and pepper your description with those keywords. Content Studio even suggests related hashtags to skyrocket reach. The result? Videos that feel timely and relevant, landing on viewers' feeds exactly when interest peaks. That's how channels go from crickets to comment sections buzzing.
Tool number 3, Pikzels. Thumbnails are your video's first impression. Treat them like the flashy neon sign of a casino. Pikzels AI thumbnail creator crafts these signs in seconds.
You feed it a punchy text prompt like mind-blowing AI fail compilation, and it generates several thumbnail drafts. Each draft uses color psychology, face detection, and rule of thirds layout to beg viewers to click.
You get a gallery of options: bold fonts screaming must watch, contrasting backgrounds, and dynamic subject placement. Tweak colors, swap images, and add your logo, all without Photoshop tantrums.
Don't settle on your first choice. A and B test at least 2 variations in the first 48 hours. Pikzels tracks click-through rate lifts and tells you which design performed better. A built-in lab for thumbnail science.
Here's a cheeky trick. Exaggerate expressions, or use humorously oversized props in your prompt. Pikzels might render a cat wearing sunglasses or a robot juggling tacos, attention guaranteed. You can try Pikzels for free using the link in description.
And if you want to take your thumbnails to the next level, use the discount code CARLA25 to get 25% off the first month. Any plans, monthly billing only.
The 4th tool, FlexClip. If it were a restaurant, it'd be a 24/7 buffet. Templates, stock footage, text-to-speech, script generators, you name it. It's on the menu.
You sign up for free, pick a YouTube template, and paste your script. The AI slices it into scenes, sources relevant stock clips, and adds captions. You get a rough cut in minutes.
Want a dramatic intro with flying text? Click Templates and voila. Animated titles appear. Need background music? FlexClip's royalty-free library has you covered. All trimming, transitions, and audio adjustments happen in browser. No installs, no crashes.
Here's how to supercharge it. Write your script with ChatGPT, then import into FlexClip. Use markers to align voiceovers and scene changes. Replace any generic footage with branded assets. Export as 1080 or 4K. You decide.
For captions, toggle the auto captions feature. It's shockingly accurate and styles them in your brand's font and color scheme.
And if you hate doing the same task twice, save your project as a template. Next time, one click, and your entire workflow is pre-configured.
Tool number 5, Pictory. Have a blog post gathering digital dust? Pictory turns it into a video blockbuster faster than you can say viral.
Paste up to 1,000 words of your script or article. Pictory's AI scans for key phrases, matches stock footage, and auto-generates a storyboard. Each scene gets a recommended clip, a caption, and a suggested voiceover.
You pick a voice style, robotic, dramatic, conversational, and let Pictory handle the rest. Within 10 minutes, you've got a rough cut to tweak.
Customize scene durations, swap out any lame footage, and adjust captions. Want a different tone? Change the voice profile and re-render. It's like having a mini studio in your browser.
Use Pictory to repurpose trending articles. Think top 10 AI tips or 5 secrets of productivity. You'll fill your upload schedule without recording a single frame yourself.
Plus, Pictory bakes in captions, vital for silent scrollers and non-native speakers. No more lost opportunities to hook your audience.
Tool number 6, invideo, hands you a palette of hundreds of templates for listicles, tutorials, and reviews. No design degree required.
On the free plan, you get AI-synced text-to-visual templates. Paste your bullet points or short script and watch as the tool highlights key text, pairs it with fitting footage, and animates callouts.
Want cinematic zooms or pop-up captions? One click. Need lower thirds or outro screens? Easy drag and drop. Color match your brand with the click of a swatch.
Here's a cheeky hack. Use invideo's text-to-speech feature for quick voiceovers. It's not Oscars level, but it keeps pace with your bullet points. No late syllables or awkward pauses.
For maximum efficiency, choose your template, paste text, auto-generate video, then manually tweak the most important scenes. Export in minutes, and you've got polished content ready for YouTube.
Ideal for channels pumping out daily tips, top 5 lists, or news recaps. InVideo ensures consistency and style, so viewers instantly recognize your brand.
Tool number 7, ChatGPT. Isn't just for witty banter. It's your go-to for hooks, outlines, and punchy dialogue.
Feed it a prompt like, write a 3-act YouTube script on AI editing tools with a cliffhanger. In seconds, you get a structure complete with a magnetic intro, key talking points, and a suspenseful outro.
Use ChatGPT for titles and descriptions optimized with keywords. Need engaging community posts? It's got you covered. Respond to comments? Draft replies in the tone of your choice.
Pro tip, always humanize the draft. Inject your brand's quirks, add anecdotes, and trim any robotic fluff. The result? A script that feels genuine but was born in record time.
For brainstorming, ask follow-up questions. Give me 3 surprising facts about AI video editing. You'll never run out of content ideas. Tool number 8, Murf Ai, transforms text into audio using natural-sounding voices. No vocal cords required.
Create a free account, paste your script, and choose from over 100 voices. You can pick gender, accent, and tone, conversational, dramatic, or even robotic for sci-fi vibes.
Preview each voice, tweak pronunciations, and adjust pacing. Download MP3 straight to your drive and import into your editor.
Ideal for tutorial channels, listicles, or any content that benefits from clear narration. No awkward retakes or equipment setup, just crisp audio in minutes.
The 9th tool is SocialBlade. It is like having a lab where you can run experiments on your channel's growth.
Enter your URL, and you get daily subscriber counts, view trends, and estimated earnings. Compare against competitors and spot growth anomalies.
Noticed a midweek dip? Schedule uploads on your channel's prime days. Saw a competitor spike? Analyze their content for clues.
Export data to CSV, plot growth over time, and correlate upload frequency with audience response. Data-driven decisions bump views and add revenue.
SocialBlade's free tier is robust enough to guide your long-term strategy. No need for pricey analytics subscriptions. Tool number 10, YouTube Studio AI replies. Community engagement fuels channel growth, but typing hundreds of replies is a chore. YouTube Studio's AI reply feature to the rescue.
In the Comments tab, click the light bulb icon next to a viewer's comment. The AI drafts a friendly response you can tweak. Need to thank someone or clarify a tip? Just edit and post.
This cuts reply time in half and keeps viewers feeling heard. High reply rates boost your channel's health and tell the algorithm you're active.
For best results, set a daily reminder to review new comments, keeping engagement fresh and authentic.
And there you have it, 10 free AI tools, each ready to turbocharge your faceless channel with minimal effort.
10 AI tools, 10 ways to simplify production, optimize discoverability, and boost revenue.
Pick one tool to test today and share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more AI hacks.
Thanks for watching. Now go create.